Hi, in today's video we're going to look at some of the features of Video Motion Pro. If I just swap over to another computer, I'm going to start off with the lower specification machine, and you can see I've imported a video file which we'll use, and the first thing I want to look at is putting a lower third. I'm not going to add any text or logos to this. And we can see it's going ahead quite successfully, creating the animation. And the reason I've chosen to use the lower specification machine first is that it does take a little bit longer on some of the sections. That's now done and placed on the timeline. Just move that down to about there. And let's just play that through to let you see. Next I'm going to add the media that I've imported to the timeline. Let's just position it to approximately the correct place. And we're going to move on to an intro. I'll use this one for an example. Once again, you can see it's going through and creating the animation. Just going to move the lower third along a little, and we'll move this up to here. Let's have a quick playthrough, see how that's doing.
Do you have a video on your website? Hey, did you know that 90% of what enters your brain is visual in nature?
Just stop it there.
Those that visit your web,
And I'm going to move the lower third over to the other side. Quick playthrough.
do you have a video on your website? Hey, did you know that 90% of what enters your brain
Let's just stop there. Going to add an outro. Once again, just choose the first one on the list, and it will go through and create the animation. And this one's taking a little longer on the lower specification machine, so I'm just going to pause the video and come back when it's almost done. Okay, we're back again now. You can see that animation has been completed. It's now been added to the timeline. So let's just have a quick play through.
website. Hey, did you know that 90% of your brain is visual in nature? How about this statistic? Those that visit your website are 85% more likely to purchase a product if they've seen the video than if they haven't. With statistics like that, you know the way to avoid letting your competition get ahead of you.
Now you can see that it's a little bit jerky, which is to be expected on the lower end machine. But we'll go ahead and render this video to let you see the difference between the low specification machine and the high specification machine. I'm going to go ahead and render that. Give it a name. And save that, and it'll start rendering. Once again, I'm going to pause the video because this will take some time, and I'll come back to you when it's almost done. Hi, okay, we're back again now, and as you can see on the screen, the video rendering is almost complete. We'll just give it a few seconds. And you can see it took 639.625 seconds to render that. Click on OK. Let's minimize that and have a look. There's the produced video. Let's just play that through. You can see it's a little bit jerky.
You have a video on your website. Hey, did you know that 90% of what enters your brain is visual in nature? Or how about this statistic? Those that visit your website are 85% more likely to purchase a product if they've seen a video than if they haven't. With statistics like that, you know the way to avoid letting your competition get ahead of you.
But not a bad finished product. Let's close that down. And in the next video, I'm going to do just the same with a high specification machine, an i7 machine with 8GB of memory. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Do you have a video on your website? Hey, did you know that 90% of what enters your brain is visual in nature? Or how about this statistic? Those that visit your website are 85% more likely to purchase a product if they've seen a video than if they haven't. With statistics like that, you know the way to avoid letting your competition get ahead of you.